Today we're going to see a very interesting South Indian side dish. This is Vada Curry. This is a very popular dish. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Vada Curry, first I'm going to soak 1 cup of Chana Dal. Wash the dal, pour enough water and soak it for about 2 hours. So you can see the dal is soaked beautifully. Drain the water, transfer the dal to a mixer jar. To this add a piece of ginger that's chopped, 4 red chilies broken into half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon salt. Grind the soaked chana dal along with the other ingredients to a nice coarse batter. I've ground the soaked chana dal to a nice coarse mixture. So now the vada mixture is ready. Next I'm going to make the vadas. Take a little bit of the vada mixture, drop it into the hot oil. The vadas needn't be a perfect shape, so you don't have to worry too much about the shape of the vada. Fry it till they are a nice golden color. So now I'm going to break the vada into small pieces. So if you notice, the texture of the vada outside is nice and crispy and it's cooked beautifully inside. Don't make the vadas too big. So this size is pretty good. I'm going to grind a masala paste for the vada curry. For this I've taken 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Add a few cashewnuts. You can either add roasted chana dal or cashewnuts to get this creamy coconut paste. Pour a little water and grind it to a nice fine paste. So now I'm going to make the vada curry. Take a nice white kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. So I've added all the whole spices: cinnamon, clove, cardamom, bay leaf, star anise, fennel seeds, stone flour. Now I'm going to add 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Next I'm going to add 2 green chilies chopped, a few curry leaves. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. You can see the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next add 4 large tomatoes that are chopped. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, add 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. So you can see the tomatoes are mashed beautifully. Add about 2 cups of water. Let the curry boil for about 5 minutes on medium flame. The curry has been boiling for about 5 minutes. The raw smell is gone. Now I'm going to add the coconut cashew paste. Now this is optional. So if you don't want to add the coconut cashew paste, you can also do the vada curry without this. Now I'm going to add the vada pieces. Close and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you can see the vada curry is done. The aroma is simply amazing. Finally garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove. This dish is usually enjoyed with tiffin like idli, dosa, appam, idiyappam. So it makes for a very nice side dish for all these tiffin items. So definitely do try it and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frame.